Welcome to Stay Home, Eat Great. You know, lately, during this whole time, the one thing I've noticed is a lot of restaurants have been on a limited menu. And one of these specifically that I want to talk about today, it's a restaurant called Red Lobster. And Red Lobster is a chain seafood restaurant. I live on the Gulf Coast, so we have a lot of better seafood at local restaurants. But Red Lobster does have this one thing. They're called Cheddar Bay Biscuits. Now, I could easily just go into Red Lobster, eat a whole mass of Cheddar Bay Biscuits and a salad and be ready to, call it a day. But, recently we went by and we tried some of their shrimp and a salad, of course. So I was thinking about it. Well, what keeps me going back is those Cheddar Bay Biscuits. They're delicious. They're excellent. Well, today on Stay Home Eat Great, I don't bake a lot, so today I'm gonna bake a little bit. I'm gonna make these Cheddar Bay biscuits just for you, so that you don't gotta worry about going out. You can stay home and enjoy them at home and enjoy as much as you want. Okay? You don't gotta be, hey, can you please bring us more? Bring us more. Another round. You know what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. Before we get started, please be sure to subscribe down at the bottom. Hit the bell to be notified every week of our new recipes. Thank you so much. Be sure to like and share this with somebody you love. Down in the descriptions we have merchandise available. We have t-shirts, Stay Home Eat Great t-shirts, your favorite cooking program. We have them in black, a hunter green, and a red. So thank you so much for subscribing. Of course, you don't have to subscribe, but it helps us measure and see how well we're doing and that people are enjoying what we're putting out each and every week. We do this just for you. So, Red Lobster's Cheddar Bay Biscuits today on Stay Home, Eat Great. Here's the ingredients. So, as I was saying earlier, this is a first for Stay Home, Eat Great. I'll be baking some biscuits today. We're going to start off with 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to bring in 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 1, 2, and 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Now, why are we making these at home? Well, first off, in order to stay home and eat great. And second of all, because I'm sure they're going to come out better at home than at the restaurant. So now we're going to whisk until combined. Next, we're going to get our food processor and bring all of this concoction into here. Now we're going to add 4 ounces or 1/2 cup of butter cubes. Safety first, be sure you have your mechanism in place. Lock it down. I'm going to pulse it until these cubes of butter turn into the size of a pea, of a green pea. Next, we're going to bring in 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Look at that. Alright, now we're going to pulse this 2 or 3 times in order to combine. Next, we will return all of this to our mixing bowl. Be sure we get everything out, including the blade. We want to mix the rest of this together now with 1 cup of cold buttermilk. So bring it in slowly, a little at a time, in order for it to combine. Well, not too wet, not too wet. So here's the fun part. We get our hands in there. Combine it all together. These things aren't even cooked yet. They smell great. I can smell the cheese. I can smell the garlic, the butter, of course. Right, we're gonna get our little cutting board here. Put a little bit of flour on here. Bring this over. Alright, clean up my hands a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and roll it out. Flat and round. Now I'm not very good at this, so you'll have to forgive me. I've seen Grandma make tortillas many times. She'd rather have me eat them than make them. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna make this into a burrito like this. Like this. I want to roll it out again. Alright, now we're going to bring it over again. This way. This way. Roll it out again. So, now we're going to fold it one last time. So we'll fold it one last time just like this. And put it in here. Put it in here, close it up. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator for 30 minutes because my kids wanna eat some biscuits tonight. And voila, we're clean again. Quick tip, if you are doing this and you need to get this clean, bench scraper, that's what this is for. You just bring in your bench scraper and come across like this, and it'll clean everything right up for you. Alright, so we've gone 30 minutes in the refrigerator. Here we go. First thing we want to do is we want to put a little bit of flour here on our cutting board. I swear I need a bigger one if I'm going to continue doing these kinds of things. An egg, one egg, and make an egg wash with just a splash of buttermilk. Just a little splash of buttermilk. And so once we put our biscuits out on our cookie sheet or baking sheet, then we're going to just brush them lightly with some egg wash. Our oven is ready to go. We're going to be baking at 425. Flour is your friend. If it starts getting sticky on you, like it was on me earlier, flour is your friend. Okay, so I'm going to put a little. So here we go. Rolling out. Jake, how do we look on the camera? We're looking good?
Yep.
Alright, I got my kids behind the scenes here.
Hi.
Marissa's over here, Jake is over here. So I want to roll this out to about 3/8 inch. So we're going to get our cookie sheet over here. And we're going to cut these out. This is the size I have here compared to my hand, alright? I like a nice sized biscuits. Alright, so come in, cut them all out. Be as nice as you can with this here. We're gonna kill it in a second. Okay, so we put some egg wash on all 12 of these. We're gonna put them in our oven at 425. See you in 13 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Look at what we got here. Ta-da! We've got our very own homemade Cheddar Bay little makeshift rack, so they'll cool down. Alright, we made a full dozen. These are our Cheddar Bay biscuits. I'm telling you, I think they look nicer than the ones at the restaurant. We're gonna see about the taste in just a few seconds. Have a look at our Cheddar Bay biscuits. Look at the color, the texture. They're a little glistening on the top. And I can see the cheese, the little dark spots of the cheese and the butter. And you just in a second, we're gonna try them out and see just what they taste like. So here we go. Today we have our Cheddar Bay biscuits. So here's the test. Here's the try. Okay, nice and flaky. Very good. I'd say the flavor's spot on. So if you want to have Cheddar Bay biscuits and don't have to go out, don't have to go to Red Lobster, here you go. Here is the secret. I'd say these are better than the ones at the restaurant. They're more consistent. They are softer. The ones there are drier and a little more crumbly. Again, thank you so much for watching us this week. Be sure to subscribe, hit the like, share this with someone you love. We look forward to seeing you again next week. Once again, I'm Steve Lopez. So stay home, eat great. God bless you, and be safe.